Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate creating duplicate classes in Java. So, let's get started. So in Java, can we create duplicate classes? The answer is yes and no. In some situations, yes. In some situations, no. So what are the situations in Java where duplicate classes will be allowed to be created? What are the situations in Java where duplicate classes are not allowed from creating? Okay, I'm going to demonstrate this practically in this session. Okay, the answer is yes and no. Yes and no is the answer. Creating duplicate classes possible in Java or not? Yes and no. When it will be yes, when it is no, I'm going to cover in this session. Further, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE here. I have a new project, guys. I have a new project. So under this new project, I'm going to create a new class. I'll just right click here, select new class. I'll just name this class with some random name, let's say car. Click on finish. You see, car class got created. Now inside this car.java file, we have only one class with the name car. What if I try to create one more class car? You see, if I'm trying to create duplicate classes in the same Java file in Java, I'm going to get an error. The type car is already defined here. Why you're creating it again? So we are getting the Java compiler error. Java is not allowing us to create duplicate classes having the same name inside the same Java file. So this is not possible to create. Okay. So the no case where you cannot create duplicate classes in the same Java file. You cannot create duplicate classes in the same Java file. That's one thing. Now, can I under the same project, can I create duplicate classes instead of in the same file? Okay, instead of in the same file, can I create multiple files having the same Java class name? Here, if I give the same name, car, can I create here? Eclipse IDE itself is not allowing me to create this. Okay, type already exists. You cannot create another Java file having the same class because Eclipse IDE knows in advance that when you create this car.java file again, inside that class car will be created. Okay, so it's not allowing. It's simply saying that type already exists. You cannot create again. Not possible. So how can we make it possible? Still, I'll say that there is a way you can create duplicate classes in the same Java project. Okay. Still, I can say that inside the same Java project, I can create duplicate classes. How? Further, guys, this particular class that I have created under the project should be part of one package and another Java file having the same class name or another class that I'm creating should be part of a different package. So here, car.java doesn't belong to any package. This is a virtual package created by Eclipse IDE. Default package is a virtual package created by Eclipse IDE. So now I'm going to create a new package. Until I create packages, right, Java will maintain, Eclipse IDE will maintain this virtual package, which doesn't really exist. Okay, it looks like package, but it doesn't exist. Right here, new, and here create a package. I'll just name this package as pack1. Finish. I'll just move this file into this pack1. Say okay. You see, under the project, under the pack1, we have this car.java file available. Here I'll create some variables also, guys. Int a is equal to 5, public void, okay, public void start car, I'll say system.out.println, car started, okay, car started, I'll say simply. Okay, now car started and I'll print the value of this variable a also just to have the difference. Okay, now here I'll create one more package, guys. Create new package here. I'll just name this package as pack2. Finish, and under this package I'm going to create another class, and here I'll give the same name as a class, same class name. Okay, same class name. While creating another Java file, I'll give the same class name, that is car. Inside the same project I'm trying to create a duplicate class, guys. Okay, finish. You see, am I getting any errors right now? If I'm creating the duplicate classes under the different packages in the Java, even though they belong to the same project, I'm not getting any error. Okay, I'm not getting any error. You see, I can have the same class inside the same project. I was able to create the same class, duplicate class, but this class belong to this package, this class belong to another package. That's what is the difference. Here I'll create int b is equal to 10, public void, okay, public void car color or something I'll say. Okay, just give it a different name, system.out.println, car color is black. Okay, like this I'll print. And here I'll give the value of the b also somehow, just randomly, guys. Not needed, but I'm just creating that like that. Now, apart from that, guys, I'll just decrease the font so that you can see the code. Now, apart from that, you see, first of all, it is proved that I can create duplicate classes inside the same project when they are separated by packages, when they are part of different packages. Now, I'll create one more package. I'll just name this package as pack 3. Under this package, I'm going to create a demo class with main method to run the code finish. And here, I'll just put it here. Now, inside this demo class, inside this main method, I want to access the properties of this first class, car. What to do, guys? I need to create an object for the car, right? New car I have to do. The moment I create an object for this car class, I'll get an error here. The reason behind that is this particular class belong to a different package where a demo class belong to a different package. So in order to create an object for this car class which is outside the package, I need to import this class from that particular package. So here I need to write down. If you hover also, it will give the same thing, import car. But here two import statements are coming, guys. There are two import statements coming. You thought only one import statement will come, right? But here, this class having the same name belong to pack 1, this class having the same name belong to pack 2. So if I hover the mouse, there is an ambiguity whether you want to import this particular car for which you want to create the object in this particular class, okay, from pack 1 or pack 2, because the same name class is in the pack 1, same name class is in the pack 2. So which car you want to import? You want to import that car class from pack 1 or pack 2? That is so let's say I want to import it from pack 1. So I have to write import. The name of the package is pack 1 dot car. The moment you do that, which class will be imported? This class or this class? The first class, which is from the pack 1, will be imported, not the pack 2. What is the proof? I'll show you. C1 is equal to, I'll just declare this with car, same class name. And here, object reference C1 dot start car. If I say C1 dot, you see C1 dot what is coming? Car color is not coming. When I say C1 dot, you see, only start car is coming. Car color which is there in the second car is not coming. Okay. So that means this object reference which is referring to the object of the class which belong to the pack 1, guys. Okay. Start car. Now run this code, right click, run as Java application. You'll get the output also. You see car started 5 should be printed. Okay. This particular start car method of the car class got run. Now what I will do next time here is I'll create an object for the car class again. This time now I'm not getting any error. Okay, you see I can import either the class from this class, this file, this package or this package. Only one I can do. In a single program, I cannot import from two places. So that's the problem. So what I'll do here is I'll remove this, or I'll just comment this, guys. I'll comment this part, this import statement I'll comment. And here I'll import, this time I'll import this class from pack 2. Only one class I can import, right? I cannot import multiple classes having the same name from different packages. I cannot do that. Import pack2.car. Here I'll create an object for the car, which is imported from this pack 2, not pack 1 this time. Car C2 is equal to, using this object reference, I'll not be able to access start car. I will be able to access car color. C2 dot, you see, car color is coming, but start car is not coming, car color. Now run this code, it will print car color is black plus 10 will be car color is black, 10 will be printed. Run it and you see car color is black, 10 will be printed. So we can create duplicate classes inside the same project when this particular classes, duplicate classes belong to different packages. Okay, they belong to separate packages. So in Java, we can create duplicate classes. The answer is yes. In Java, we can create duplicate classes only when that particular classes belong to different packages. If they don't belong to the different packages, then you are going to get the Java will not allow you to create the duplicate classes. Whether you want to have this duplicate classes part of the same file or part of the same package or whatever it is, then Java will not allow you to create duplicate classes. If in case the duplicate classes that you are creating are part of different packages, then you can create in Java. Okay, duplicate classes you can create in Java. So that's all for this session, guys. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.